The auto options. A neat feature of the EOS 6D is that it offers some automatic exposure settings that can still be changed and adjusted. This allows an inexperienced user to dial in different picture effects without having to understand a lot of complex photographic terminology. Fully automatic exposure used to mean the camera made all decisions and almost nothing could be fine-tuned by the photographer. But with Basic Plus, it's easy to change the overall color, contrast, and look of a picture you're about to take. It does this using simple terminology and from one menu screen. The Creative Auto mode, the CA setting on the mode dial, also lets you adjust the sharpness of foregrounds and backgrounds without having to understand the specifics and technicalities of depth of field. Here's what's possible in the Creative Auto mode. Press the Quick Control button and the Quick Control menu appears on screen. Scene Ambience describes the different options that can be applied to the color, contrast, and overall appearance of your pictures. Press Set to view a list of the available options for Scene Ambience. Or use the Quick Control dial or the multi-controller to scroll through the options one at a time. Highlight the option you prefer and press Set. Now, use the multi-controller to highlight the next menu item, Effect. This three-stage scale indicates the strength of the scene ambience you just chose. It's visible in all settings except Standard. Use the Quick Control dial to choose the effect strength you want. Finally, you can easily change the sharpness you'll see throughout your picture. Press downward on the multi-controller to move down and highlight the Blurred Sharp Scale on the LCD monitor. Turn either the top or rear dials to move the indicator to the left, which will tend to blur backgrounds, or toward the right, which will tend to make the backgrounds sharper. For the technically minded, each click changes the lens aperture by about one stop. Press the Quick Control button again, and you're ready to begin shooting. Special Scene Mode lets you press the Quick Control button and choose from 6 different automatic exposure modes. Each gives you optimal results in different situations. Set the camera's mode dial to Special Scene Mode. Press the Quick Control button. Turn either the top or rear dials to scroll through the scene modes, or press Set to see their icons listed together on screen. Use the Quick Control dial to scroll through the options. Highlight the scene that most closely represents your shooting situation and press Set. Now, you can further adjust the look of the pictures you're about to take. Press downward on the multi-controller to highlight the next menu item, Ambience. Turning either dial allows you to change the color and appearance of the pictures you're about to take. On any setting other than Standard, a 3-stage effect scale appears right below that. Highlight this using the multi-controller to choose the effect strength you want. Finally, you can match the camera to the type of lighting you'll be shooting under. This is like adjusting white balance. Turn either dial to lock the camera in to the type of lighting you'll be shooting in, or to have it adjust automatically in the default setting. Tap the shutter button halfway to clear the menu, and now you're ready to shoot. Scene Intelligent Auto Mode is the green A+ setting on the EOS 6D's mode dial. It's the easiest fully automatic setting on the EOS 6D. In Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, the camera analyzes the scene for factors such as faces, colors, and brightness. Then, the camera automatically applies the exposure and image control settings that will deliver optimal image quality. First-time users can just set the mode dial to Scene Intelligent Auto and start capturing great images. Unlike the Creative Auto and Special Scene modes, you cannot make adjustments to change color, white balance, overall brightness, and so on. Whether you want total point-and-shoot simplicity or an easy way to fine-tune the camera, the EOS 6D's automatic exposure modes provide tools for inexperienced photographers to get great images without leaving their comfort zone.